Welcome to the EdbMails imaptoexchangemigration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration software lets you effortlessly perform the migration of IMAP mailboxes to the Exchange server. Whether moving from Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho, Zimbra, Icewarp, cPanel, GoDaddy, Rackspace, or any other IMAP server, EdbMails ensures a secure and efficient process. It preserves your folder hierarchy, email attachments, and metadata, allowing for a smooth migration to Exchange server without data loss. With its user-friendly interface and robust features, EdbMails enhances the imaptoexchange migration experience. Enjoy high-speed concurrent mailbox transfers, automatic mailbox mapping for precise results, and incremental migration to prevent duplicates. Advanced filtering options enable selective migration of specific data, ensuring an efficient migration process from IMAP to Exchange 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and 2007. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process for migrating IMAP mailboxes to Exchange server using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the IMAP migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Click the Select Host Name button. Select the appropriate host name for your source IMAP server. Click Continue. Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login. Select the mailboxes or folders you want to migrate from the source IMAP server. Now, click the IMAP to Live Exchange button to connect with your target Exchange server. Select the Target Connection option. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free IMAP to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.